and they took far too long getting in the door. So I just decided to stay here last night. It was much easier than trying to go at 6 o'clock in the evening trying to go find a place to park. So it's either just to park right here. So we're gonna get ourselves, get our pre-trip done, get things situated in the truck so they don't fall and break and blah 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 blah. So it's 5 a.m. So we got to run up to the Loves here in Pueblo. Gonna scale the load. We're only running about 30,000, but we're gonna scale the load to make sure we have a scale ticket. Just be on the safe side. All right. And then we'll get ourselves going. We have 15 hours on our 70-hour clock, so that gives us a full day today. Our trip total, so as the thing comes up here,
proceed to the highlighted route.
Our trip total is 865 miles to Troy, Illinois. So be all today and a little bit of tomorrow. And then we'll swap out with this other driver so they can go home for the holidays. Let's get the old pre-trip done and we'll be on our way. Oh, we stopped into the Loves here in Pueblo, Colorado, exit 104 off of I-25. We got scaled. Show you that ticket later. When the sun's up and I stop for a load check. We're going to be not going to be on the main highway. We're going to be on more of a U.S. road instead of an I. A U.S. road instead of an interstate. But we're going to move down the road fairly decently. We're going to get to Eads, Colorado.
In 0.2 miles, slide right on Pace Road and then take the entrance to the right at 160 feet.
So where's it at? Yeah, we're going to stop the Loves in Eads, Colorado. And from there, I think we're shooting north now to get us up to Route 40.
In 600 feet, slide right on Pace Road and then take the entrance to the right at 160 feet.
So we're not too heavy. I think our total weight is only like 58,000. Got like 22 and 25 on the drive and trailer. So, we're not doing too bad. we're just gonna be driving in the dark for a little bit. Well, at least another hour and 20, about an hour and 20 minutes approximately. I don't know when sunrise is, but you know, just around 7 o'clock, we're gonna get some sunlight. Like I said, we got basically a full day's drive today we can do, and then we'll have another maybe 3 or 4 hours tomorrow to get to Troy, Illinois. Depending on what the weather does and how traffic rolls. First major city to get through is going to be Kansas City.
Elizabeth Street. In a quarter mile, turn left on North Elizabeth Street.
Well, basically just going to, you know, wheedle our way back up to I-40. So basically just run in reverse of what we did prior. So we're going to go a little bit south here on I-25.
This road for 3.2 miles.
Alright, start seeing a little bit of the light I was talking about earlier. Just a little bit of light shining through the little breaks in the clouds. Nice little streak across the sky. Wish there was just a little bit less clouds so we have a little bit of sunrise. But take what you can get. But, you know, not a bad morning. Rolling along pretty nice. Just about to come up here to the Lawrence service area. We're on I-70 eastbound in Kansas. So it's a little bit brighter in the camera than it is in reality. The sun's just about to set, but you really can't tell because of all the cloud cover. Let's see, we got 5:17 right now. Only got about 3.5 miles to go. Reckless driver's gonna kill me before I get there. One blink of the flasher. That really lets somebody know what you're doing, even when you're already in the middle of doing it. That doesn't help. Another reckless driver on the road just doesn't care about anybody else. Leavenworth County. This truck get by us, then we're going to get into the left-hand lane because we only got about a little over 2 miles to go. And of course, turn signal means nothing. At least somebody has a little bit of sense. Give me a hot fudge sundae from McDonald's for dessert.
To left on connecting road.
But a pretty decent day on the road. The only real problem today was that deer earlier in the day. So, you know, we made a pretty good run. Now, slowing down for those little towns that, you know, they're in Colorado on the back road, that impacted a little bit, but not by much. But if I could have maintained 65 the entire distance, you know, they might have given me another 20 minutes on the road maybe, but not enough to really to be that bad. Ready. We're just about to pull in.
In a half mile, keep to the left on connecting road and then approaching destination on the right side at 0.3 miles. Speed limit reduced ahead. In a quarter mile, keep to the left on connecting road and then approaching destination on the right side at 0.3 miles.
Right, doing a little light pole work here. Got a big old crane sitting up. We can't go to the right, so we're gonna go to the left here. Let's see, let's get on the other side of these of this crane work here, because we don't know how long they're going to be here tonight, and I'd rather be as far away from them as possible. So all these park spots here pretty much unusable for the moment. Yeah. This guy's pulling out. We're going to pull right in.
You have arrived at your destination on the right side, service area.
I don't see any lines on the road, so we're going to consider this done for the day.
Proceed to the highlighted route.
Our service. So we're now sitting at 50,111.4 miles. Change that to on duty post-trip, not pre-trip, post-trip. So we're gonna do a post-trip, walk around the truck, make sure everything's good, check our load, and then we can settle down for the night. See ya tomorrow.